Hey friends, it's Allison here, and today we're going to talk about why leaves change and then do a really cool science experiment. Now we're going to talk about why leaves change colors, but first I have a question for you. What is chromatography? I'll give you just a second. Chromatography is the process of using a solvent to pull color from something. During this process, the colors separate into distinct sections, similar to how printers use 3 different colors of ink to make every color imaginable. In many parts of the world, autumn is a time for leaves to turn dramatic, bright colors. Most of the spectacular colors of autumn have actually been in the leaves all summer. However, they were covered up by the dominant green of the chlorophyll. As the weather cools and shorter days settle in, the leaves are no longer able to produce food for the tree. The chlorophyll begins to break down, revealing new and varied color pigments. The brightest colors are seen when the late summer is dry and autumn has bright sunny days and cool nights. Now we're going to talk about the 4 colors of the leaves: green, yellow, red, and orange. So the first color we're going to talk about is green, which is called chlorophyll. Can y'all say chlorophyll? Awesome. Chlorophyll is responsible for helping trees and plants turn sunlight into food. For most months, it is the dominant color seen in most leaves until it fades away. As many trees shut down their food production, they turn to stored sugars to survive the winter. The next color we're going to talk about is red, which is called anthocyanin. Can y'all say that? Anthocyanin. Awesome. Unlike other leaf colors that always exist in the leaf, anthocyanins are produced as the chlorophyll is broken down. The anthocyanins are often seen in leaves named for their autumn splash of red, including red maples, scarlet oaks, and red sumacs. The next color we're going to talk about is orange, which is also called carotene. Can y'all say carotene? Awesome. Sugar maples may be one of the best examples of carotene in action. Their bright signature orange fills many hills and country roads throughout the northern U.S. Sassafras leaves also turn a slightly more muted orange. As its name implies, carotenes are also the chemical responsible for giving carrots their unique coloring. The last color we're going to talk about is yellow, but it's also called xanthophyll. Can you say xanthophyll? Awesome. Xanthophyll can be seen throughout the fall in trees, including beeches, ashes, birches, aspens, and some oak trees. It also contributes its bright yellow color to autumn squash and corn. Now, we're going to get to the fun part, the science experiment. Do you remember at the beginning of the video when I talked about chromatography? Now we get to use that in our science experiment. Let's go! Hey friends, I hope you enjoy learning about why leaves change colors. Now you go and you try that science experiment and see what happens. Bye! See you next time!